Okay, our next section is C on Windows. We're going to take a look at how to get a C compiler downloaded and installed in the Windows environment. There are several C compilers available for the Windows environment, and you can find those, probably over a dozen of them, by doing a search for Win32 C compiler on your favorite search engine. The one that we're going to use through this course is the Microsoft Visual C++ 2005 Express Edition. The Express Edition is somewhat limited in what it can do. It doesn't create native Win32 programs and without some other additional software, but we don't need all of that. We're only going to use the command line compiler of Visual C++. Now, there are a number of great IDEs or integrated development environments available to you, but they really just get in the way. Let me show you what Visual C++'s IDE looks like. There you go. There's a lot going on that little page, and it's all kinds of things that would kind of get in our way in learning C programming. If we look over here at form1.h, there's our actual hello world text buried down inside of there that I put into this tool, into this label on the hello world page. Now that will of course work well and it will function, but we would learn more about how to use the IDE and how to use the Express Edition than we would really learn about C and C programming, which is why we're here. Like I said, there's many good IDEs available. They all look very similar to that, but they're just going to get in our way. Now, here's where you want to go to install C on Windows XP or later. msdn.microsoft.com/vstudio/express/Visual C. There's a lot of advertising material out there. This is a free product, but Microsoft wants to show you all the wonderful things that it has to offer. So follow the links through the tour, step by step, looking at what Visual C Express Edition can do for you. And finally, at the end of the little tour, page by page, you will find a download link. Obviously, click the link, download the product, run the setup files. You probably have a good background of downloading and running installation programs and things like that. And you can trust that they are probably pretty safe, somewhat inherently safe from Microsoft, though there's probably a lot of dispute about that. But download it, install it. You may have to register with a Hotmail account, something like that. I don't remember that registration being required. But bottom line, the compiler and the IDE are free and will go a long ways towards helping you learn the C programming language. And then, if you want to, you can go on and learn the IDE and all of the .NET kinds of things that you can do with the Express Edition. It is incredibly powerful, and especially compared with the free cost. So take a few minutes now and go ahead out to that URL and download the product and go ahead and install it all. And then when we get back to here, we'll take a look at how to test the Express Edition and make sure that it's running. It won't take very long.